Good morning students, I am Anurag Singh of class 12, Kendriya Vidyalaya. I study in Jyoti classes. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter of maths integration, which is a very important chapter of calculus in which board exam the maximum amount of marks will come from this chapter only. So today we are going to complete this chapter in one video. Approx it will take 2 hours to complete. You will fully understand this chapter if you are going to watch this video. Thank you. First, we will discuss about integration. What is integration? The chapter before this chapter was differentiation, in which we used to differentiate the functions. This chapter is known as integration, in which we will integrate the functions. We will first we will discuss about some general formulas of integration which will come in use. You know the sign of integration. We will first learn the sign of integration, which is line and dx. Line dot dx. This is the sign of integration, and here any function can be given x into dx. If any question is given in this form, then we will know that we have to integrate the function and then solve. Most students are confused that what type of questions are known as integration question. So this type of questions will be known as integration questions. Some general formulas of integration which will come used in all the exercises. In this chapter, in NCERT, there are 11 exercises of integration. We are going to discuss up to 6 exercises, which are the important exercises. From 7 onwards, it is upper limit and lower limit, which we will discuss with AY, because AY is related to that only. So to not make the video lengthy, we will discuss till chapter exercise number 7.6, and the general formula which we are going to discuss will come used in all the exercises. So first we are going to discuss the general formula. Formula is xn into dx will be equals to x n ka power plus 1 by n ka power plus n plus 1 plus c. This c is known as constant. No need to write c, but in exam we write c for the invigilator to give extra marks. This is the formula. Example of this formula, we can write example. Suppose we have given question x ka power 3x 3 into dx. We will integrate it using the formula x ka power 3 plus 1 by denominator 3 plus 1 plus c. We will get x ka power 4 by x ka power 4. This will be the answer. So this is how we will integrate function if given like this. So easy. Now the next general formula we are going to discuss is integration 1 by x into dx. If it will be x will be in fraction into dx, then the functions integrated will be equal to log mod x plus c. This will be the functions integration. In differentiation we have studied that differentiation of log is 1 by x. Integration is inverse of differentiation. Integration is inverse of differentiation. Integration is inverse of differentiation. This we will try to remember, as in questions if you have learned the formula of differentiations, then you can by inversing it you can use it in integration. It will make you easy to remember all the formulas. Here in differentiation we have studied log x differentiation 1 by x. So 1 by x will be equals to log x. This is the first, this is the second, third. Now one type of question can also be given if there is a constant value with x. This is the formula. If there is meaning ax into dx integration, the constant come outside the integration and we will then integrate x. Like a integration of x will be x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, power is 1, so it will be equals to a ka power a, x ka power 2, or in either 2a x square. It 2 will come out here in divide 2a x square. This will be the formula. So first we will put it in, if constant value is given, then first we will put it outside the integration and then we will integrate. This is not form, this is general knowledge that in integration we are going to use. Third, formula we are going to discuss about. Now we are going to discuss about a trigonometric trigonometry integration. We will how to convert sine into cos, cos into sine, like this only. Integration sine ax, a can be any constant 1, 2, 3, 2x, 3x, 4x into dx equals to cos minus cos ax by a plus c. This is the integration of sine ax. If we are given sine x, then it will be minus cos x. Sine 2x minus cos 2x by 2, like this. Now for cos, integration cos ax into dx equals to sine ax by a plus c. This will be the integration of cos ax into dx will be equals to sine ax by a plus c. Now we will get going to integration sec x into tan x into dx. Integration will be equals to sec x plus c. This will be the integration of sec x into tan x. Question general formula number 6. Cos x into cot x into dx will be equals to minus cos x plus c. This is the general number 6. Now integration cosec square x equals to minus cot x plus c. This is the formula of cosec square x. This we will remember, and then again now we are going to discuss the logarithmic integration function. 8 number tan x into dx. If in question we have to use the tan x into dx, then we can use this formula also, sec square x plus c. And if we have to prove in integration, we have to solve the question by own methods. There is no fixed answer of one question. We can make one question by many methods, by substitution, by parts, by fraction, by partial fraction. So in integration we have to see the question and find out which process we will going to use. If there is question, we have to find the integration of tan in the form of log. We will use this function, minus log cos x plus c. And if we have to in cos, we have to use this. In sec, we can use this log sec x plus c. This is the function of tan x into dx in the form of log. Now we are going to discuss about cot integration cot x into dx is to minus log sin x plus c. Plus c will be written in every integration value, but c value will not be given in answer or not be asked in the question also. And again, if we have to prove log cosec x plus c, if we have to find in sine, then this, and if you have to find in cos, in this, here will be minus log cosec, where will be log sin x. Now this is the integration formula, all the important formula of integration. And one more formula is here, 11th formula. There are total general 11 formula. E ka power ax into dx, e ka power a by a plus c, power ax by a plus c. This is all the important general formulas of integration. You can write it down. It will come in use in every exercises. These formulas will come use in majorly you come using for single purpose in 7.1. This all formula will come. If you have learned all this formula, then integration first exercise you can do it easily. Now I am going to solve questions of first exercise from NCERT class 12 book, exercise 7.1. You can note it down. Now I am going to rub. Now we are going to solve questions of exercise 7.1. In 7.1, I have also marked the important question which will come in exam. It is not possible to give all the questions from integration, as there is 11 exercises. From each exercise, if we will solve, from each exercise I have marked the most important 3 questions. That 3 questions will definitely come in exam in form of MCQ, case based, or 2 marks or 3 marks question. So we are going to discuss, first we are going to discuss the exercise easy ones, and then we are going to discuss the most important question which are very hard. Exercise 7.1. In exercise 7.1, there are given questions. First, we will going to discuss question number 10. Question number 10. This is question will come in exam. It is important question. Integration under root x minus 1 by under root x का whole square into dx. First, a square minus a minus b का whole square. We will simply put it like this: x minus x plus 1 by x minus 2ab 2 into dx. This will become a square minus b square under root x का whole square x, 1 by x square का whole square 1 by x, 2ab 2x cancel, 2 will be here left. Now there are 3 different functions. You can see if it was in multiply we will solve it. There are 3 different functions. So all 3 will get integrated. We have discussed now only integration x into dx plus 1 by x into dx minus 2 into dx. Because it multiplies, so all 3 will get multiplied. Now we will integrate it. You can see here x into dx. Where x n ka power 1, x ka power 1, x into dx. We have now only studied the general formula. So we will write it like this: x into dx. We will write x 1 power plus y by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by x into dx. We have studied now log x, log under root x minus 2 into dx. We have studied now only. First, one important step, this integration sign. This will come in all the question. This will all come in all the parts. X into dx plus under integration 1x into dx minus integration 2 into dx. This will come like this. Like this it will be written. The question, if 3 plus minus sign is given between, all the 3 will get integrated. So sign will also get separated. So to make it easier for the student to understand, the sign gets separated. X into dx integration x ka power 2 by 2. I have written directly 1 plus 1 2 by 2 for x into dx general formula plus 1 by x into dx log x log mod x minus, here it will 2 will, in question we have discussed, if constant is given, constant will come outside, 2 into dx. 1 into dx will be x only. Here x square by 2 plus log mod x minus 2. Now we are going to match the question answer. Question number 10, exercise 7.1, question number 10. Now it is solved. This question is solved plus c. We will not forget to write c, dx integration x plus c. This is the answer. Hope you understand this question number 10. It is an important question which can come in exam. In 1 marks or 2 marks, it is not that hard. We will first do square and then we will integrate it separately. Going to rub it. It is clear. This was the normal question which we have discussed. Now we will discuss the important questions. In first exercise can be lengthy somewhat. Now important question. The important question which will come in question number 17. Integration 2x square minus 3 sin x. In from first exercise, no question will be harder than this one. So if we can understand this question, then in first exercise we can solve any question, because it is the last question and we know NCERT gives hard one in last only. This is the question, 5 root x into dx. Now we are going to solve it. First we have discussed sine is given, so we will integrate it separately. 2x square into dx minus integration 3 sin x into dx plus integration 5 root x into dx. 2 will come outside as constant, x square into dx minus we will not skip any step, or exam invigilator will not be able to find how it is we have put in this value and marks will be deducted. Sin x into dx plus 5 will come outside here, root x into dx. Here now we are know x square into dx, easy general formula. X square into dx, x ka power, after integrating this, integrating sign will come outside, 2 integrating x का power 2 plus 1 3, नीचे also 3 minus 3 integration sin x into dx minus cos x by 1, here a का value 1 तो 1 plus 5 into under root x. Under root x can be written as under root x. What can we write under root x? X का power 1 by 2. X का power 1 by 2 is written as under root x. So here x का power 1 by 2 into dx. What will be the answer? From the general formula we know that exponent plus 1 by denominator also exponent plus 1. Here n का value 1 by 2. From general formula we know that x n plus 1 by n plus 1 is the answer. So here will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here 2 3 by 2 x. Here will be x 2 by 3, x ka power 3 by 2. Like this only. So we will write, after integrating x ka power 1 by 2, we will get 2 by 3 x ka power 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 in denominator, 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, 3 by 2 in denominator and x ka power 3 by 2 in numerator. In exponent 2 will come out upper and 3 will go down, x 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, 2 by 3 x, it will be written as like this. So here it is written, and in last plus c. This is the important. And now we will in simpler form we can write it or leave it, but it will be good to write it in the simpler form. X का power 3 minus में plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 5 to the 10 by 3 x 3 का power 1 by plus c. This is the important question of exercise 7.1. From this question only, from this exercise, this type of question will only come. This is simple if you have remembered the general formula. We will substitute it so singly and then solve it. It is easier. Now the next question, which we have, next question is also like this only. Same. This is given homework. If you can solve this question, then I can understand you have understood it. Under root x, integration under root x 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. This is NCERT question number 15. Solve it yourself. This is if you understand, you can easily solve this. Now we are moving towards exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.1 is finished. You will be thinking, finished? Yes, finished. This is the important question from exercise. Question will not come harder than this from this exercise. One type of question more I can type is more, which can, if denominator in x cube under root x cube plus 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4 by under root x. This is also an important question from exercise 7.1 only. It will be easier if you have understand it. Under root under root x plus so on all three there will be denominator under root x ka power 3 under root x plus 3x by under root x plus 4 by under root x into dx. All solo we will write here integration x cube by under root x into dx plus 3x by under root x into dx plus 4 by under root x into dx. Now you can easily integrate x ka power 1 by 2. Here under root x will be written as 1 by 2. So we will write here under root x. Here under root x will be written as under root x cube by x ka power 1 by 2 into dx plus 3x. Here it will integration sign will all separate. We have learned integration sign will all separate. 3 is constant, 3 will come outside. X by under root x into dx plus here 4 is constant, 4 will come outside, 1 by under root x into dx. This is the root will be written as 1 ka power 2 x ka power 1 by 2 x ka power 1 by 2. Here we will write it like this only because we know that 1 by under root x into dx will be. This is also in general formula. This is not the part of general formula, but we can write it simple. If you will x power 1 by 2, we will solve it, and then we will get the value this. So it will be easier to remember it only. 1 by root x into dx will be 2 root x. So this will be used. You can write it. It is not general formula, but to make it easier because 1 by root x always comes in question. Here it will divide. We will do minus x power 3 minus 1 by 2. Here it is also divided x power 1 minus 1 by 2. Here we will write it directly and then we will multiply. This is easier question. You can solve it from here on. Exponent we have learned x ka power x. Exponent is different nm. If coefficient is same x ka power n minus m. Coefficient gets minus. After minusing we will into 3. Integration will be done after minusing. Into dx is given. So after minusing we will do integration. This is the important questions of exercise 7.1. Exercise 7.1 is finished. Now we will discuss the chapter map, the mind map of integration chapter. Which process will be used in which exercises? Integration. We will do integration by 3 types. To exercise number 7.6 we will do integration by 3 types. Integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. We will use this formula in 7.2. Integration by substitution. You know the meaning of substitution. We will let a function sin x will be let as t or u or x as v. We will let any function and then put it after integrating the question's function will come only. We are going to discuss it in second year. Integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction. This will come used in 7.3 and 7.4. 7.3 and 7.4. Integration by parts. And the third is integration by parts. This will come used in 7.5 and 7.6. These are we are going to discuss about 7.6. These are the important formulas of methods of integrating. In 7.1 we have used general formula. 7.2 we will use substitution. Partial fraction will be used in 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 we will use integration by parts. Now we are going to study first integration by substitution. We will give heading integration by substitution. Now we are going to study. Suppose for example question, first I am going to solve one example, then you will understand it from the example only. Integration 2x by, question is 1 plus x square. This is the question. You can see here two functions are given, 2x and 1 plus x square. Now how we will substitute it? We will from the two functions we will put one function as let. By substitute we will let it, we will take one function as let t or any value, and then we will differentiate it. See here 2x 1 plus x square. What is the differentiation of 2x? 2x differentiation 2, 1 plus x square differentiation 2x. So 2x has come. So we will put it like this. Let question is given any function, we will use the function which on differentiating comes on the questions function. Like this हम उसी फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे जो फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करे तो क्वेश्चन में जो आ रहा है उसके बराबर लगे. जैसे कि let 1 plus x square we will differentiate it. Let t equals to 1 plus x square. Now differentiating both sides, we will write it in question which we have taken t, which we are going to differentiate. dt by dx, here x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx 1 का differentiation कुछ भी नहीं, x square का 2x. 2x has come in question, also 2x. In substitution we will given question on differentiating which will come in question. So do not worry that if we are going to differentiate, the question will not come in the differentiation value will not be the same as the question. Here it will go in 2x. The question will be in this form, dt into dx. Integration, all the questions will be given in this form. We have discussed earlier. So we can write dt equals to 2x into dx. 2x into dx. 2x into dx. We can see 2x into dx is only given. So we will write it. We can write the value dt's value 2x into dx equals to dt. So we will write integration 2x into dx dt by 1 plus x square. We have taken t, so t. Now what is the value of 1 by t into dt? Integration 1 by t into dt. We have studied the general formula 1 by x into dx log x, 1 by t into dt log mod t log mod t plus c. Now we have discussed it. Do not confuse नहीं होना कि इसमें x पढ़ा था इस पर t आ गया. 1 by t into dt, 1 by x into dx, 1 by y into dy. All value will be equal to log x y z t. Now we will put the value of t, which we have taken 1 by x plus 1 plus x square. So we will write log 1 plus x square plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer. We will leave it here only. No need to solve further. Now you will be confused that why we have not done this and only taken t like we have taken it t, not taken this. If we take t equals to 2x dt by dx on differentiating, we will get 2. And here it is 1 by x square, so it will t, and now this value cannot be put, so no. So first we will see the question and find out which will differentiate, the other will come. So like this only, this question, this is the example of integration by substitution. It will become hard on solving. This is the most important exercise of integration. It has many important questions also. We are going to discuss all the important questions. Now we are going to study 7.2. First question number 3. You will be question number 2 you can solve. I am going to solve only important question. Question number 3. 1 by x plus log x. Here this is the question, x log x. 1 by x plus x log x into dx integration. Now we have given the question. Here we can see both have x. We can take common. Normally without integration we are using normal math. In common, x 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x will come here inside the bracket. Now leave it like this. Now see, we can, what is the integration of log x? 1 by x. If we integrate x log x, then no x log x cannot be integrated. we should integrate it, but we will study it by integration by parts, in which integration function, two functions are given in multiplication. So not like this. We can, I have told you that in integration question we can make by any part, any time. But this is the question of 7.2, so we will use it by substitution method. Common 1 plus log x, 1 by x. We will take log x. T we will let t equals to, there are two function x, 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. We will see that log x differentiation we will do 1 by x will automatically come on differentiating both sides, dt by dx equals to log x, 1 का differentiation कुछ भी नहीं, constant log x का differentiation 1 by x, dt dx will all the question on differentiating dx will go there, because in question dx is always given in multiply. So you will easily understand that dt will be like this, 1 by x into dx. In question what can we see here? See, integration 1 plus log x into x into dx. Question is given in this form. We can see 1 by x into dx here, 1 plus log x into 1 by x into dx. This is the only you can understand here, only for student who will not understand. This question is given in this form only, and we have substituted it that 1 by x into dx will be equal to dt. So question is this form only, then then the question will come in this form. So we will put here, we have taken 1 by log x as t, integration 1 by t into 1 by x into dx, 1 by x into dx dt, 1 by t into dt again, 1 by t into dt will be log mod t plus c. This will be the answer. Log t value we will put 1 plus log x plus c. This will be the answer. This is the substitution of exercise 7.2 question number 3. It is visible or not, I am going to check. Yes, it is visible. Now I am going to rub it. Now we are going to discuss the questions, important ones. In integration you will find it hard. Only 7.2 and 7.3 will be some headache for you, because in 7.4, 5, 6 it is all separate exercise, separate formula, which we are going to discuss. So in 7.23 this will, integration will be like hard, for feel only hard. Question number 10. Question number 10. What is question number 10? It is given. Question number 10 is also easy one. Question number 10. This will also important question. 1 minus x into dx integration will be given in always in this form. Here also, here root x can be written like this, 1 by under root x common, under root x minus 1 into dx. I hope you all understand why I am, how it is come. Root x will, here 2 root x common, x1 root x minus 1, t we will take root 1 root x minus 1 we will take 1 by 2 root a, here we will take integration, let, here we will take let root x minus 1 equals to t. And same for previous question, same, it is waste of time, but it is important, so I am solving. dt by dx equals to differentiation root x का differentiation 1 by 2 x will be written as 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will come on upwards, x by 2 माइनस में इधर माइनस 2 माइनस कर हो जाएगा ये dx by 2 into dx. This will come into dx, dt is equals to x by 2 into dx. Now we will put the value here under 1 by root x into dx. We know that 2 root x 2 into x का power 1 by 2 1 by x का power 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 3 by 2 into 2 cancel 3 x का power 3 by 2. So we will solve it like this only. So this is question, we will put the value here and we can find. This is easy question, so we will not solve it, just waste of time only. Important question, check the important question. Question number 19. Question number 19. E का power 2x minus 1 by e का power 2x plus 1. This is the important question. First we see here integration sign will be given into dx will be given. First we see here how is this question will be solved. The e का power 2x minus 1, we have studied general formula e का power x into dx1. So now here, but we cannot possibly do that because in this function is given in different form question. So we can take common in this type of question. From exercise 7.2 question all is like this question. In every question we can take common. E का power x common ले लिया. Now first we will write like this: e का power x minus e का power x 1 by e का power x into e का power x plus 1 into dx. Just normal question. Normally we can write it like this: e का power x into e का power x, e का power x into e का power x, e का power 2x. x a कोएफिशिएंट सेम है, into में हो जाएगा तो पावर ऐड हो जाता है. So here now we can take common e का power x common. So here will be e का power x minus in one. If we take e का power x common, so we can write in the form of like this. Like this we can write in the denominator also. We will write this only. Here it will be plus 1 by e का power x into dx. E का power x cancel. Now question has come in this form: e का power x minus में 1 by e का power x by e का power x plus में 1 by e का power x. This question has come in this form. Now into dx, integration sign. Now we will write it like this. Written like from here. Now we will write it like this. This is e 1 by x. What can we write it like this? X inverse 1 by x square. X inverse 2. X inverse 2 will be written like 1 to the power x square. So here 1 by ex will be written as e का power x minus e का power minus x by e का power x plus e का power minus x. Integration into dx. This is the solving of question before the substitution. See this type important question we have to first solve and simplify the question. Then we will use substitution methods. Now here now we will take now we will substitute it. Let t equals to, in this type of question we can take any one t. As if we will take this t, then this value will come. If we will take this t, then this value will come. So here e का power x plus e का power minus x, differentiating both sides, dt by dx equals to e का power x minus में e का power minus x. And we can e का power minus x integration e का power minus x minus में x. Minus sign will come automatically here and this will here. So on differentiating we will find like this. We have got the value dt equals to e का power x minus में e का power minus x into dx. Value will become here. So this will be question will become like this. dt will be equals to e का power x minus e का power minus x into dx. Now we will put the value in question. Integration e का power x minus में e का power minus x by e का power x plus e का power minus x into dx. This value we have got dt, so we will write dt by denominator we have taken as t, this we have taken as t, so dt by t 1 by t into dt log t plus c, log t which you have taken e ka power x plus e ka power minus x plus c. This will be the answer of this question. First we will have to simplify and then we will substitute. So here I am going to do it once more. E ka power 2x. Here we can write it e ka power x into e ka power x by exponent. We can write simplify, and then from here we have taken common e ka power x 1 by, if we will take e ka power x common here, 1 by e ka power x say, this is the written, this will cancel and 1 will only come. So here by taking common denominator will come here. So like this, and then this is the simple, and e ka power x can be written as e inverse x, and this is the simplest form, and from here on we will integrate, substitute. We will first check. Now here if we will substitute, the value will not come from like the numerator, so the question cannot be solved. So we have to first simplify and then substitute. From here we can substitute. We will see that by substituting this will come. So we will now substitute. Hence this question will be solved. Write it down. Now important question number 3, question number 19 we have solved. Question number 29. Now they have trigonometric question. Trigonometric question will be extra hard. Extra hard. Cot x into log sin x. Log sin x. This is the question. Question will be given like normal, but we have to write integration. It is integration question. Integrate. We can see here cot x. Cot x can be written as, first we will simplify. Cot x can be written as cos x or 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x into log sin x into dx. Here it is like this. If we take here, we can write, see, we can write like this also. Here log sin x, by differentiating log sin x, what we will get? Sin x, log x ka differentiation x, 1 by x, log sin x ka 1 by sin x, cot if we write 1 by tan x, here it is not sin involved. If we will write cot like cos by sin, then 1 by sin is involved, here also we will get 1 by sin. So by this type we will use we will solve the trigonometric question. In rough we will do first cot x. Now we can write it like cos x into sin x, because in our question we will get advantage by this. By tan x the two questions become hard and extra lengthy. So we will see. Now let t equals to log sin x. Log sin x. Differentiating both sides. dt by dx equals to 1 by sin x plus sin x. Sin x का क्या होगा? Sin x का cos x. This will become of the value. This will come of value, and dA will be given go there. dt by dx. dt will be equals to 1 by sin x into cos x. Here will be into cos x into dx. This will the value come here into cos x into sin x. By differentiating this function we get this function. In substitution this is only called. In substitution into function, by differentiating one function, if we get the value of other function, that is only called, then we are going in right track and our substitution is correct. By this we can find. So now we will solve it. Integration cos x into sin x, here dt by the log sin x we have taken as t. and multiplication t. Now we will remember, if you remember the general formula, you can easily remember t into dt. What power will be get added? T1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. Value will t the power 2 by 2. T what we have taken as t, we cannot left it like this. It will not, answer will be come wrong. Log sin x का power 2 by 2. This will be the answer, plus c. Plus c will be written in every question answer as it is considered earlier. This is the answer of question number 29. The most important question from exercise. We are discussing all the important question of exercise. So this was one of the important question which we type. You have understand what type of question will become from this exercise. Now I'm rubbing. Now other important question number 30. What is important? Question number 32. Question number 32. No, 32. Question number 36. Important question. And question number 37. The most important question of this exercise. Guaranteed. This will come in exam. Guaranteed. This question is guaranteed. It will come in your half yearly, periodic, or board also it can come. This is guaranteed. This question from this exercise 37. It is the most important question which is guaranteed to come in exam. First we are going to discuss question number 36. 36 or question number 37 only. We are going to discuss first question number 37. The most important question of this exercise. X cube sin tan inverse x, tan inverse x का power 4, x का power 4 by 1 tan inverse x का power 4 1 plus x का power 8 integration sin into dx. This is the most important question. BBI. First we will do simplification. Here we can see x ka power 4. So we can write, if we have to put x ka power 8 can be written as like this: x cube sin tan inverse x ka power 4 by 1 plus x ka power 2 into x. This can be written like this. X ka power 4 into 2. You will ask why we have not taken x ka power 2 into 4. 2 into 4 also same value, x ka power 2 into 4. This will also be give same value, x ka power 8. But we are not taking in question as if you remember tan inverse formula from inverse trigonometry, tan inverse x equals to 1 by 1 plus x square. So for putting this formula, we will take x to the power 4 into 2. So that if we take t, then this value will come. Now we will take t. Let t equals to x to the power 4. We will take t equals to x to the power 4. On differentiating both sides, dt by dx equals to 4x cube. dt will be equals to x cube by 4 into dx. This 4 will come here in denominator and this dx will be go there in numerator. X cube into dx, x cube into sin itna into dx. X cube into dx we can write x cube into dx. X cube into dx we have gotten dt by 4. We will write simply sin tan inverse x4 we have taken t, tan inverse t by 1 plus t square into dt. dt by 4 as x cube into dx will be dt by 4. This 4 will be constant, so it will be outside. Constant always come outside in integration. 1 by 4 will come outside. 1 by 4. Now we will take, now again we can see this, on differentiating this value we will get this value. So we will ask, can we differentiate do 2 times? Yes, we can. If question is there like this, then we will differentiate 2 times. Tan, we can clearly see tan inverse t will, if we differentiate this will be given. So let tan inverse t equals to u. We will taken u here because t we have already taken. Differentiating both sides, and dt here, du by dt, du with respect to dt as tan inverse t will be 1 by 1 plus t ka whole square. Du will be equals to 1 by 1 plus t ka whole square into dt. This is the value, du 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. In question simply we can see this value has come. In question we can see this value has come. Now we will put it in question. 1 by 4 integration sine, this value we have taken u into du. This value we have gotten. Now what will be the answer? Integration, simple integration. Now this value has given me simple. This hard question we will solve this question. Now you can easily give answer. Sine, what will be sine? Minus cos u plus c. Answer will be minus cos u by 4 plus c. This is the answer. This is the most important question of substitution. If you understand this question, you can solve any question. First we have to see which function to differentiate. First we will simplify the question, and then we will see which function to differentiate so that other function is complete. If we have learnt all the important formulas of differentiation and integration, we can easily, by watching we can see, yes, now we can substitute the value as the question is solved. This was the important question of exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2, there are 37 questions, and out of the 37 I have only discussed the important ones, so your concept should be clear. You can write it, see it visible or not. I'm going to run. Now we are going to discuss more important questions of this exercise. Sine 31, question number 31, sine x by 1 plus cos x का whole square into dx. Integration, this sign will be put here. Now we can see here cos x integration sine x. Easily, if we have remembered the formula, we can easily see cos x. If we will differentiate this function, this will come. If we will differentiate this function, this will not come. So we will differentiate this function. Let t equals to 1 plus cos x dt by dx equals to cos x हो जाएगा sin x. dt will be equals to sin x into dx. This will the value come. Question we can see easily. This is come. No more important question. We are discussing more important, easy one, not important. Important we have discussed to make your concept clear, so that you not think that only 2-3 questions we have discussed and whole exercise finished. Sin x into dx. These are all easy questions. If you have understood it, you will find it all easy. dt by, we have taken a t ka square. Now we can write 1 by t ka square. We will write t ka power minus 2 into dt. We can write it like this: t ka power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. t ka power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by minus 1. T plus t minus में what we have taken as t 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x plus c. This will be the answer. Solved. Answer is solved. This will be the answer. So this was question. One more. This was the another question of integration by substitution. Now other question. Now more important question. What are the more important questions? 32 number. 32 number is also important question. 32 number. It is also important. Very important question. Just circled here. I am not seeing it. Question number 32. This is the second most important. If this question is clear, then 33 is also like this. One by one minus 10x. This is the type of question which is one important. This type of question I have not solved. It take many. 1 by cot x. In class, if you have studied class 10, we always say that if we have given trigonometry, we will convert it in the function of sine and cos. For simpler, 1 by 1 plus cos x, we can write cos x by sine x into dx. Now we will write integration LCM 1 by sine x plus cos x by sine x. We can write it like this into dx. We are simplifying it first to make it in the form so that we can substitute it. Sine will go out upwards. Sine x by sine x plus cos x into dx. Integration sine. This question have come. We can multiply and divide it by 2. No, if we will multiply and divide it by 2, no change will occur. Sin x plus cos x into dx. If we multiply and divide it by 2, what change will occur? 2 will cancel. So we can multiply and divide it by 2. 1 by 2. Here 2. It can be written like this. See, if we multiply it by 2, multiply it by 2, 2a, and then divide it by 2, 2a by 2, 2 cancel a, no changes occur. So here like this, we will multiply and divide by 2, 2 will come here to multiply by 2 and 1 by 2 is divide like this. If we multiply and divide, we will divide, the function will come outside, only which we have used will come upwards. So we will keep in mind 2 sin x. 2 sin x. There are 2 sin x. If we have sin square x, then what we will write? Sin x into x sin x. We have 2 sin x. Sin x plus sin x can be written like this. So here we will write like this 2 sin x. To make the question easy, we will use these methods. Sin x plus sin x by sin x plus cos x into dx. This is the value we have written. You understand here till here? Now as we have multiplied and divided by 2, you can apply in question. We will see here it is plus cos x, here it is only sin x. We can here add and minus. If we have given a, we have plus a plus x, and then we will minus a plus x minus x cancel, so no change will occur. So here also we can write it like this: sin x plus cos x minus cos x can be written like this into dx. Write it like this: 1 by 2 integration. We can write it sin x plus cos x minus plus sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. You can write it like this. You can write it like this. Plus sign will be. You can write it like this. See, this question same. This question same. We have got what if we differentiate it, we will get this value. So we have gotten this value. Now we can separately write it. 1 by 2 integration sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx plus this value integration sin x minus cos x by sin x plus cos x into dx. This value we will write it separately like this. Easily you can see this will get cancelled. So we will write this question 1 by 2 into dx plus integration. Here we have discussed one question like this. You remember ex minus ex e power x plus e power minus x. So here sin x plus cos x. What is the integration of sin x plus cos x? Sin x will be cos, cos will be minus sin. Sin will be minus cos, cos will be sin. So but let t equals to sin x plus cos x dt by dx differentiated minus cos x plus sin x. On differentiating we will get this value dt equals to sin x minus cos x into dx. This will be the value of dt on putting it there. So now we put it in here. In question we put it sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x into dx, with what will be written dt. So we will write dt by this we have taken as t. Simplified here we have get it. You can, this is important step, you will write it here board not the dx integration of dx x by 2 equal to plus integration of 1 by t log t plus c x by 2 plus log c t we have taken sin x minus cos x, sin x plus cos x plus c. This will be the answer of this question. This will be the answer of this question. This was the question, important question. This was important question number 5. This was the 5th important question which type will come in exam. If you have understood this question, then you can easily solve question of substitution. By using your mind, we can put any value like this and solve it. Now some other question we are going to discuss. From exercise, this exercise. I'm going to Now we will discuss about exercise 7.3, the most important exercise. 7.2 and 7.3 are most important, as in this we will have to use the maximum use of brain. You have to use the maximum amount of brain. So you cannot revise it. You have to understand it, because you cannot learn it by seeing it and writing it. You have to understand it, because there are many types. In here you have to use the trigonometric functions. So the question will become automatically hard. Where is the copy? First you will write some important formulas which we will use. By using that formulas, the exercise will become very easy. Teacher will not tell you these formulas, because these are all formula of class 10, 11 and 12 in inverse trigonometry as chapter. So this is all the important formula of class 11. In case you have not learned the formula, in class 11 we all know that no one studies like hard or remember everything in class 12. So we are going to learn only the formulas which will come used in exercise 7.3. So in exam also you can remember, if you will remember this formula, you can easily solve question exercise 7.3. You do not have to worry about learning all the formula of class 11 or think that, oh, I have not remembered the trigonometric function, this exercise will not be solved by me. So all these important formulas which will come in use in exercise 7.3 are 7.3 formulas, important formulas for trigonometric solving. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sec square x equals to 1 by tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1. This is the formula. Cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1. Sin 2x will be equals to 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x, and also in sin 2x other formula will be 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus cos x by 2. This is the important formula. This is a normal formula. This is a normal important formula. These are the normal important formula which we have in class 11. You have to learn this one. General formula. These are the general formula. Sin square x, cos square x, and cos 2x, sin 2x will be used the most of the time. Cos 2x important formula. Other also 1 minus 2 sin square x and one more cos 2x, one more formula, cos square x minus sin square x. These are all the important formula of a general formula. Now we are going to study about, first you note it down, then again I will write the formulas of important exercise 7.3. Now the important formula which will come in use in the questions. First, 2 sin A into sin B. 2 sin A into sin B. Because A plus B minus cos A minus B minus cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is the first formula. 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Now 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A into cos B. 2 cosine A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Now 2 cos A into sin B. Cos A into sin B. Sin A minus B minus sin A plus B. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is the important formula. And other ones, first, second, this one. Other one, sin 3x. 4 sin square x. 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x by 4. This is the important formula of sin 3x. From here we can find the value of sin cube x. Sin cube x will be equals to 3 sin x minus sin 3x minus sin 3x by 4. this from where we can find sin 3x question this will come, and from like this only cos 3x, cos cube x we will get cos 3x plus 3 cos x plus 3 cos x by 4. These are the important formula of trigonometry. This that will come using the exercise 7.3. Write it down. No question will come outside from this formula. Important formula of exercise 7.3. Visible or not? Now we are going to solve question. Four, 5 important question I am going to discuss. First question, exercise 7.3. First normal question I am going to discuss. First question, integration cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. Cos 4x into cos 6x. Now we can write here. We have studied the formula. This question cos A into cos B. Remember, 2 cos A into 2 cos B. We can write cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So here we have to put it in formula. So we can multiply and divide by 2. 2 cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x. 1 by 2. 2 cos A into cos B. 2 cos A into cos B will be cos A minus B. 2 minus cos cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B. This is A, this is B. Cos A plus B. Cos 2x plus 4x plus cos A minus B. Cos A minus B 2x minus 4x into cos 6x dx into cos 6x into dx. Cos 6x into dx. This we have written. Now this is the formula of 2 cos A, 2 cos A into cos B. Now we will get the value 1 by 2 integration cos 6x minus cos 2x into cos 6x into dx. So we will get 1 by 2 integration cos 6x into cos 6x, cos square 12 cos square 6x cos 12 cos 6x into cos 6x and cos 6x into cos 6x. We will not skip the method in question. Here it is skipped, so for easy understanding we will not skip. Cos 2x into cos 6x into dx. Here also this will question, here also into cos minus cos 2x into dx. Here also first we will multiply it by here, and then we will again it is common cos A into cos B. So again we will do multiply by 2 and divide by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 integration to cos 6x into cos 6x, and here plus cos 2x minus cos 6x plus here will be and we minus cos 6x minus cos 2x minus cos 2x into cos 6x into dx. Here it will be like this only put it. Now we will solve it. 2 is on whole. This will be like this. Multiply sign will be here. Multiply sign will be put it. Multiply sign will be put it here like this. Now we are going to solve it. Cos 2 cos A into cos B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cos, this will be like this. 1 by 4 integration cos 12x in plus cos 4x plus cos 4x my plus cos 8x plus cos 4x plus cos 8x plus cos 4x into dx. This will become cos 12x plus cos 8x plus 2 cos 4x. Here will be 2. Like this, we will start 2 into cos 6x into cos 6x plus cos 2x into 6x. It is solved here like this. Now here 2 is in multiply on both. Now here 2 is in multiply with both. So 2 will be multiplied on whole. Here will not be like this. Here multiplied by whole. 2 cos A into cos B into 2 cos 2x into cos 6x. 2 cos A into cos B cos A plus B 6 plus 6 12 plus cos 4x. Here will be cos 8x plus cos 2 cos 4x into dx. Now we will simplify it. We know that integration of 1 by cos 12x will be equals to sin 12x by 12 plus cos 4x will be sin 4x by 4 plus cos 8x will be sin 8x by 8 plus sin 8x by 8. This will not be here. This will be like this here. Like this only it is visible. I hope it is visible by you all.